Hey y'all, this video will be all about how to uninstall the crochet method for your V-part wigs. Here's a clip from my previous video, but now it's time to take her off.
Actually, do I want to uninstall this?
We're going to uninstall it because I want to show y'all how easy and convenient it is to go ahead and take this wig off, and even a few tips and tricks if you want to wear it again without having to install it. So just keep on watching.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Ash Takeoff, and this video is kind of like an extension of one that I did previously on this channel. I'm going to be showing you guys how to take out or uninstall your V-part wigs, your U-part wigs when you install them using the crochet method. If you did miss that video, here is the link right here to watch that. And honestly, it's something that I recommend because it's hot out here. I don't want to worry about my hair. The crochet look makes it look like it's your hair, or at least make it look a little more like it's coming from the scapiana. This is a clip. Do y'all see this? This is the crochet method. This is how it looks. Please go check out that video if you're interested in seeing it. But now we're here. I have been wearing this hair for a few days, and this is how it's looking, fully dry, completely dry. But now we're to the point where if I want to take it off, what do? Like this was my first time doing this method, so this would be my first time uninstalling using the crochet method to install. Y'all feel where I'm coming from? Let's just go ahead and hop into it because this will be a quick video. We're just about to take this thing off, put it to the side, and it'll be ready to wear the next time I want to wear it. So this is how I'm looking. I kind of styled the hair using this little headband piece. It's actually what I use to sleep in because it gets kind of big, as you guys can see. Like, that's like a whole nother style that I could have had. Actually, do I want to uninstall this? Let's not uninstall it yet. Y'all catch me back in like a day or two. Okay? Yeah, I'll be back.
A few moments later.
Okay, y'all. I lied. I'm back. We're going to go ahead and uninstall it because if I want to do this look, you don't have to have it installed to get this look. You can literally clip on your V-part wig without any leave out, without crocheting it, and put on something like this and disguise it. No one would know. How would they know? So let's just go ahead and take it off. And we're going to slide this up. This hair is beautiful. Eunice, y'all did y'all big one, okay? Y'all did y'all big one. Like, do y'all see how full the curls are still defined? I'm shooketh. Shooketh. This is the area that we crocheted. In my opinion, I think I'm just supposed to go through and pull it back through. So, for example, I can see this is a piece that I crocheted through. I'm going to find it on this side. Y'all see that? And just take it back through. And that's all we're going to be doing. Of course, the hair is going to try to form to that direction because that's how it's been laying. Once you feed it through, just tuck it behind your ear. And then we're going to go to the next one. I see this is one. Feel for the loop because there will be a loop. And then I'm just going to pull it through. And that's actually not that one, but that's the one that I still had to pull through. I think I see the loop for this one. There it is. So it's really just trial and error. Y'all see that? And it just comes back through. It's that simple. Let's do a few more. On this side, feel for, and you can even like take your finger along this, and it's kind of easier to pull up too. I just unclipped it. See, let's see if that helps too. Oh, if you unclip it, that kind of helps it out too. And it's okay, y'all. It's gonna get a little frizzy. It's okay. We're gonna unclip that. Let's see if that's easier to do like that on the other side. And I found the last one on this side. So we have this side up. Let's just go ahead and work on this side. This side is a little easier because this wasn't my struggle side. If you guys go check my previous video, y'all see what I'm talking about. But just feel for it. Like I see Y'all see it right there? And just take it out. Move to the next one. And you can kind of see where it is. I kind of wanted to see if unclipping it would help. And it does. That was so much easier. If you unclip it, y'all, you just take your thumb up through it. Gonna unclip this one. Wow. Yeah, that was the easier side. Once you get that first piece of crochet out from like the front, if you just unclip the wig, you can take it off. You can take it off. Oh my God, we did it. And it's not even bad frizzy. Like, y'all can just take some product through that and get it back. But let me show y'all the finesse way that I was just saying. So you can literally just put on this V-part wig, just clip it, right? Make sure the clips are in because you don't want it to bother you. So we put the V-part we put the V-part back on our head. Y'all see, no leave out, no crochet method. Grab your headband, your accessory, whatever you're using. Put it back on. Up. Don't forget to put the bag down. Take it back up. And now we're back to where I was. Uninstalled. Like, it's not installed. That's very convenient. This may be a new go-to style. Just get, you know, different headbands and different accessories. If you want baby hairs, you would just leave out, you know, baby hairs. Like, you can do this with a low ponytail. It doesn't have to be braids. If you want some of your hair showing, just push that back for a more realistic look. And that's a hairstyle, y'all. You can't tell me that ain't no hairstyle. So that is it for this video. A very quick and simple way to take out your crochet method installation of your V-part wigs. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. That helps me out to let me know what you guys like, what you're not liking. You know, comment down below and let me know something. Like, I would love to hear from you guys, chat it up with you, and build a community. So yeah, I'm at the point in the video I'm talking too much because y'all see just how quick and easy this was to take out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.